Our story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, leather seats, rear view camera, luxury package 3, cooled seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2018 Continental. The Continental is synonymous with the flagship of the Lincoln brand. Lincoln Continental delivers comfort and technology in a stylish full-size package. Packaged with technology, computer electronics are applied to nearly every facet of the driving experience and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback